What's up guys, Bearded Jeeper here, and last night I went and removed the front axle out of Project ZipTie. It's time to get the 1-ton swap underway. Finally starting to get it all prepped and ready now that all the ice is out of the garage. So we got the front axle removed. Still got to get the control arms off. I wanted to take it off with the axle, but these other mounts were having issues. I couldn't get these bolts free, so I put some PB Blast on last night. Hopefully we can get those off today. But the main concern is getting this rear axle off, which is going to be interesting because I don't have a whole lot of room between the edge of the Jeep and my workbench here, so hopefully I can get a jack back here, jack it up. I think I'm going to have to take the tires off this one. Just so I have very little room on this side. And about the same, if not a little less, room on this side to hopefully sneak the axle out one side or another. I soaked some of these bolts last night, so hopefully they come off all right. All right, so I ended up getting some work done on the Cherokee. I didn't film a whole lot just because it was fighting me the whole way. I had to cut a few things, but finally got the rear axle out. Let me show you what we're working with right now. So we have Hover Jeep. I still have to unbolt a few things like the upper shocks, take off the rest of the drive shaft. I ended up just cutting these brake lines here because they were rusted and seized and I was sick of fighting. I wanted to get this rear axle out. I have to get these shackle bolts out still, get these old shackles out. But the frame is in, or unibody is in pretty good shape. I mean, yeah, there's a few rust spots, but that's still solid. That's just surface rust right there. All in all, it's a really clean frame, so it's a good base to start. I have the common rot right here. I cut this out already. I'm gonna fix this, box this in, figure out what I'm gonna do back here. Whole bunch of tools on the workbench because I picked them up just to sweep the floor. If you didn't see, I got a nice bottle for my welder now. Got a Harbor Freight cart. It didn't like this big 300 bottle very much, but it works. Got the Yes welder, helmet there, other helmet down there, gloves, clamps, everything. So now I'll be able to really weld and really work on this thing. A few tools back out because I was taking a look at these frame stiffeners. These are from Affordable Off-Road. They make, as the name states, really affordable stuff. I believe these only go for 135 bucks for the front. So, something like that. So, we're gonna have to clean up the frame a little. This saw, just surface rust, but the unibody here is looking really clean still. Not a whole lot of grinding I'm gonna need to do. This, on the other hand, I'll have to address at a later date. This is quite spongy right here. So I'm gonna have to probably do all the floorboards and everything, or all the floor pans in this Jeep. I'm sure I'm gonna have to do those. Axle's sitting out in the yard here. Here's the Chrysler 8 1/4 and the Dana 30. Dana 30, I had put brand new calipers and pads and rotors and everything brand new on it. I think I'm gonna sell like the whole kit. These old 35s, these are the tread rights. These two are kind of worn. These two have better tread and I have a spare over there. I'll probably do the whole bundle, axles, tires. I did get new leaf perches and new U-bolts and shock tabs and everything to start getting this rear axle squared away. This rear axle won't take as much work. I'm not gonna do a truss right off. I just wanna get these under the vehicle. And then I still need to get the truss for the Dana 60 and do a lot more cutting on that one. But hopefully this year I wanna be able to wheel on 1-tons. But that's it. I just wanted to give you guys a quick little update. I've just been really busy working on the Jeep this weekend because it's actually been a nice weekend and I've had some time to work on the Jeep. Plenty more to come. Hopefully within the next week or so, I'd like to get these front frame stiffeners installed and hopefully order the mids and the rears. That way I can strengthen the unibody before I throw control arm mounts and brackets and weld anything else to the frame. I want to make sure it's nice and solid. So if you guys like this video and you want to see more garage updates, give this video a thumbs up. As always guys, stay bearded, stay Jeepin'. I'm out.